Today we will be looking at how to manage statistics in CollectiveAccess. Under the Manage drop-down menu, navigate to Statistics. In this menu, you will see the statistics for your museum, including total records, record totals by access, record totals by type, records created, records modified, media, and logins. Each heading is broken down into subheadings to give you more detailed information. For instance, when records were last created in the last day, week, 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, and the last year. This is a fantastic tool to use for reporting. You can also use it to monitor activity overall.